Hello, YouTube. Remember yesterday I uploaded a video about high school and little rhymes, and I said I couldn't remember the periodic table rhyme. I remember it. Happy Henry Little's Beryl Brown chews nuts on Fridays. Nellie says, may all silly physicians suffer chills always. I just said all the periodic table up to argon. So it's happy, hydrogen, Henry, heliums, little, lithium, beryl, berylium, brown, boron, Happy Henry's little beryl brown, chews, nuts, the ends nitrogen, on, oxygen, Fridays, fluoride. Nellie, neon, says, may, magnesium, all silly physicians suffer, sulfur, suffer chills, always, argon. So have a look at the periodic table, 1 to 10, and I've given you that rhyme. I knew I would remember it. I knew. And it wasn't 3 a.m. I just had a nana-nap, Jem the nanny, nana, and I remembered it because when you got lots of little things in your head, they all converge. But yes, if you can put things to a lyric or a rhyme, you tend to remember things better. Remember, I told you that when at high school, when Pluto was still considered a planet, and in my eyes it's still a planet, it went, my very easy memory jingle serves useful naming planets, and that would tell you each planet, the first letter, just like the chemistry one, the first letter stands for the planets. Only thing is, Pluto's no longer a planet. But yes, happy. So if you take the H from happy, you get hydrogen. Henry, you get helium. Happy Henry's beryl brown chews nuts on Fridays, fluoride. May all, I forgot neon. Nellie says, may all silly, and the all is aluminium, silly physicians suffer chills always, argon. So I'll just repeat that because I just stuffed it up again. Happy Henry's little beryl brown chews nuts on Friday. Nellie, neon, says, may all silly physicians suffer chills always. And for the music one, every good boy deserves fruit, and that gives you the notes on the bars. Every good boy deserves fruit, and there's other ones there's other little rhymes that like that. And there you have it. And I did sing for you yesterday how I remembered Goethe's German poem. Sometimes if you have to remember things and you can't rhyme them, put them in a little lyric or rhyme, put them to song, to music, and you remember it that way. So I remembered Jem's doesn't have dementia quite yet. No, even if you have dementia, I think you can remember things from your childhood, but you can't remember things that you just did, earlier. And I can remember what I did this morning. Went to the op shop, bought a few things, and because I used to volunteer at the coffee shop, I got $12 off. Bargain. So some new clothes and a few odds and ends. I always count my blessings and every day be grateful. And if you're just grateful for one thing, that just makes you feel better. It makes your brain, your neural pathways lift upwards. Instead of the glass being half empty, it's half full. And if you think of your glass, let's be negative here and think that my glass is half empty. If you're negative and always going to think your glass is half empty, it'll never be full. But if you think it's half full, you're always going to have something. All right, that's my lesson for today. So that lyric I gave you, if you look up the periodic table in chemistry, it gives you up to argon. And argon and neon and all that are the stable elements. Yes, so that's hopefully those of you doing chemistry, that might help you. So I'm sorry that I couldn't remember it yesterday, but I got excited. I could get on to YouTube and tell them I remember. Love, light and blessings. Be lovely to each other. You haven't walked a mile in another's shoes to judge. You don't know their story. You don't know their verse. You don't know their chapter. So let's not judge. Let's tolerate. Love, light and blessings. Bye.